बात ये हवाओं को बताए रखना, जहां रोशन होगा दिया जलाए रखना। की है हिफाजत लहू देकर हमने, की है हिफाजत लहू देकर हमने। मन में सदा उस तिरंगे को बसाए रखना। Good morning to one and all present here. On behalf of the Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management, I, Ritika Bali,
and I, Bhavya Khattar,
would like to welcome you all to our today's auspicious gathering for the celebrations of 75th Independence Day of India.
let us take a moment and salute and thank our freedom fighters who gave their lives and made great sacrifices. Let us dedicate this Independence Day to the sons and daughters of the nation and sincerely perform our duties and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Now, we will have our auspicious flag hoisting ceremony as a tribute to our motherland. May all living beings live in harmony with each other.
दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है, दे सलामी इस तिरंगे को जिससे तेरी शान है। सर हमेशा ऊंचा रखना, जब तक दिल में जान है, जब तक दिल में जान है। Now, I would request our Honorable Chief Administrative Officer, retired Colonel Ajay Sood, along with all the faculty members, to do the honors. Thank you, everyone.
To pay our tribute to the people who have sacrificed their lives and made this possible, I would request everyone to join us for the national anthem.
Now, I would like to introduce you to the Chief Administrative Officer, retired Colonel Ajay Sood. Colonel Ajay Sood is a veteran of the Indian Army and has led as the Director Vigilance and Discipline of Complete Power during his time in Ladakh and Kargil region. In the past, he has filled in for the position of Director Training, and in that tenure, he has dealt with all the issues of Army schools and colleges in Delhi. He has relational abilities and is an incredible helper and government pioneer with experience in taking care of huge enhanced groups with fluctuating ranges of abilities under execution related pressure. So it is a tremendous pleasure to have you with us today. I request you to address the gathering.
March. Lal Bahadur Shastri, and the list is endless. There are many, many freedom fighters who toiled and who struggled to give us independence. Dear students, you must be very proud today to learn that this particular institute, Lal Bahadur Shastri Institute of Management, is established to perpetuate the memory of the son of the soil, the man of the masses, second Prime Minister of India, Bharat Ratna, Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri. He gave his life and times for this nation. The slogan given by him, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, still reverberates in the length and breadth of this country. It is as relevant today as it was at the time when it was given to the nation, and it will always remain so. The value system given by Shastriji still motivate us to do better in our life and help progressing the humanity as a whole. We carry this value system in our institute. All students, those who join this institute, they come from different parts of the country. You have different situations in the place where you are born and brought up. You must have seen so many things in your life. You must have also come across various problems which the society is facing. Our aim is to, when we are doing management training here, our aim is to basically pick up one such problem in our area or which the society faces and try to ameliorate those persons from those problems. So we got to be socially attentive. We got to be thinking about our nation. We got to be thinking about our society and carry the society forward. Only by doing that, we'll be able to fulfill the mission of our institute. And the mission of our institute is to nurture socially sensitive business leaders. So I urge each one of you to think about it, to see how you can do this, how you can play your part and help the country prosper and take the country on the path of progress. Our aim also should be that we should take such socio-economic steps that help out in fulfilling the dreams what we have thought for us. We have got strong alumni base of more than 4,000 students, and the present students will also become alumni in the days to come. So this is a food of thought and a suggestion to all of you. Let us pledge on this day to take our nation to the supreme seat amongst the Committee of Nations. Let us remember the sacrifices. Let us all salute our freedom fighters and make all efforts to take the nation forward. In the end, I again congratulate each one of you on the 75th anniversary of independence. Let all prosper. And with this, I once again say thank you so much. With me, I will say Nara Bharat Mata Ki Jai, and you will all recite it. Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Bharat Mata Ki! Jai Hind! Thank you.
May I now request our Honorable Chief Administrative Officer, Retired Colonel Ajay Sood, and all other faculty members to pay floral tribute to Bharat Ratna Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri Ji and light the ceremonial lamp. Hello. As we come to the end of this August day, I, from the core of our hearts, wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Ours is a land of sages, known for its bravery for ages. None can with it compete. Its culture, none can beat. I thank you all for being here and being a part of the 75th Independence Day celebration. Thank you.